Today is Sunday, January 15th, 2023, and it is day 183 of SQL, and look at me making a video with audio for the first time in like 5 months. Anyway, so I have this little assignment that I just created with ChatGPT. It's kind of based on like Khan Academy's assignments, so they're very similar. Because I just want to practice what I learned, and so I just copied and pasted and said, give me a similar assignment but with like different data. So that's what we have here. So just to kind of explore a little bit, we have two tables. So one is called employees, one is called departments. Let me actually look at it. So I'm gonna do select everything from employees. And then I'll do select everything from departments. The day I can spell would be the days that fly. Anyway, so we have employees and departments. I just want to see, I want to add a little bit to the data, so maybe employees that are not, because I know that each one have is in a department, but I want there to be employees that are not in the department and then are not in any department because that's what the ChatGPT missed that part a little bit. Let's do 6. Let's do 7, and then let me add. Oh no, I messed up. I meant to add over here. Actually, I'll just do this now. So I'll do Jackie Lunson, and then we'll do 204, 205, 206. We'll do SpongeBob. We'll do Patrick. SpongeBob SquarePants. And we'll do another one called Mayor Calor. Ah, if only you knew. So this will be 207. And then over here, let's create a few more where it's going to be, let's see, marketing is in like 4. Oh no, that's the wrong thing. That's the department code. We have like, let's say 4, 5. We'll have another one. 4 and 5, 7. It's not there. We'll do 7. Then we'll add another one. We'll add another one as well. Maven, Hal, and we'll do 208, 209. So we have this data. Let me go and save it. Right? All right. Let's start again.